Welcome back guys to Web3 for Light, and in this playlist I want to dive in more into crypto and the blockchain projects like startups, what they trying to deliver us in Web3. I will not check the price section of their own token. I will dive in more what the main idea of that projects, what they trying to deliver us in Web3. If we go into digital world, if we go into the tokenized world, what this project about? Do they have the real use case in our real life, not just some fancy promises on the roadmaps? So let's start today with the Ondo Finance, the main token and the main projects of real world asset sector. So let's imagine the Wall Street moving onto the blockchain and becoming available to everyone, not just the millionaires and the bankers. That's exactly what Ondo Finance is doing. And now many people call it the Ondo Finance, the Wall Street 2.0 on the blockchain. Ondo Finance is a DeFi platform that connects traditional finance, also known as TradFi, with the decentralized finance or DeFi. The project focuses on tokenizing real-world assets like US treasuries, corporate bonds, and the money market funds. So let's think about it. It's like turning a gold bar brick, the real brick of gold, into a digital certificate. Now you can trade it anytime, anywhere, 24/7. For me personally, every single crypto, blockchain, Web3 project is just a simply startup, and startup can be successful at the end with their idea, or their idea can false and nobody use it. To bring something new and deliver their main idea, they need to raise the funds on the fundraising rounds. That's why the Ondo Finance raised $24 million across 2 rounds, in 2021 and in 2022, with the really respectful and the big funds on the board. The main idea of the Ondo Finance is democratization. Before, investing in United States treasuries often required millions of dollars and special approvals. Ondo makes this same product available to regular people, starting with a little as $100, for example. Analysts believe the tokenized asset market could hit 10 or even $16 trillion by 2030, so in the next basically 5 years. And Ondo already holds over than 90% of tokenized US treasuries market. To understand in the simple words how exactly it works. So imagine the Ondo Finance works in 3 directions. First one is asset management. They buy real US treasuries and they wrap them into the blockchain tokens. Second one, it's a technology. They build the Flux Finance on the global market and are launching on the chain. And the third one is a compliance first. Unlike many DeFi projects, Ondo works with regulated custodians, daily audits, and the legal frameworks. Basically, it's a digital bank of the future, but fully on the blockchain. Many people can ask, so why it's so special? Traditionally, to invest in treasuries, you need around like 5 million, a broker, and the office hours. With Ondo, you can just buy their token USDY for $100, earn about 4.25% per year, and trade it 24/7. They also partnered with BlackRock for instant settlements, and even if Ondo goes bankrupt, and yes, it's possible, your assets stay safe. That's a huge difference. Yes, Ondo has its own token with a fixed supply around 10 billion. It's used for governance, staking, fee discount, and the paying for transaction on the chain. How exactly the project generate the revenue? Ondo makes money in a few steps. First of all, they can make money with management fees, performance fees, platform fees for trading and transactions, and partnerships with the giants like BlackRock. With more than $1 billion locked in the protocol, this can generate millions in revenue. Everything what I told you before was so interesting, sounds great, but for everyday users, what real problems Ondo solves? Let's say the first one is inflation beating the bank deposits, 4.25% against the 1%. Access to assets that use it to require the millions. The global availability, not just in the United States, transparency through the blockchain and the daily audits. Basically, it brings Wall Street grade investment to your simple smartphone. Here how you can start. First of all, you can create a Web3 wallet like a MetaMask. How to create a wallet, I already posted the video. I recommend you go and check that video. Buy USDC or USDT. It's just a regular stable coins. Go onto Ondo.Finance, connect your wallet, pass KYC if needed, swap, just convert your USDC into USDY. Sit back, your tokens automatically earn yield. Or you can simply buy on the tokens on exchanges like Binance or Coinbase. Ondo Finance is one of the strongest projects bridging the gap between the traditional finance trade fee and the Web3. With over $1 billion in assets, partnership with the BlackRock, it's shaping the future of tokenized finance. Is on the real Wall Street 2.0 on the blockchain? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and to share this video with your crypto friends.